How's it going, YouTube? Here's my 2004 Dodge Mercedes Sprinter 118 wheelbase. Had a couple videos on little walkthrough, little tutorial, a couple tips, a couple tricks. Decided today I've been researching this Plasti Dip product. This hood was repainted. You can see it's super chipped up. Lots of chips, lots of chips. Must have been repainted poorly because it just kept chipping. So I sanded it down, get it smooth as I possibly can. And I'm gonna do this with the gunmetal gray, which is kind of left. It's not the same match, it's not the same silver, but I think it'll be kind of a cool look. And then I'm going to do the black, which is on the right, on the Mercedes emblem. So the grill, two grills will be that gunmetal gray. Maybe I'll do the top one in the black, and the sides of the Mercedes logo in the gunmetal gray, and then the Mercedes logo in black. I think that'd look kind of cool. Okay, here's the first coat. I guess you just do a thin, I think you want to do 4 or 5 coats. And it's like plastic. It just sprays on so that you can see over the chrome. It has kind of built up a little bit of a layer, multiple layers. Start with the black, then finish off with the gunmetal gray. So there's the first coat of the gunmetal gray. Thin coat, just kind of, you don't want it to get it to be too, don't want it to run, well, obviously. That area immediately jumps out as possibly an issue, but I guess the luxury of this stuff, if you don't like it, you peel it off and do something different. Okay, so I did a second coat on the grill. You can really see on the chrome how it's going away. I kind of want to stay a little more stealth-like. I do a lot of stealth camping, and it's big chrome Mercedes logo. It stands out as, I don't know, I'd just rather it be a little more subtle. So I think this will work out well. All right, here's the second coat of the gunmetal gray on the hood. Looks like a zebra. I can tell it's I'm kind of hoping the pitting from the chips will kind of fill in to an extent. If you see kind of the sheen across there, you can still see a little bit of a dent there. And the chips seem like they're filling in. Obviously that Dodge emblem is still kind of standing out. Hopefully that fills in also. I pulled off that logo when I put the Mercedes grill in there. Hopefully that fills in. Either way, second coat, so far so good. I think it's obviously not the same color I didn't want it to be. And I think it'll look pretty good. All right, coat 3. It's still wet, so it's still pretty streaky here. You can kind of see the glare. It's looking good. I think this kind of indentation right there from the Dodge logo is not going to go away. And yeah, everything else looks good. Probably 2 more coats, I think I'll be done. Hopefully the temperature stays correct. It's gonna, they say definitely do not apply when it's cold out. So Northern California, we've got some cold weather. It's January. So anyways, I think we're looking pretty good. All right, so I decided to go with the black Mercedes logo and the gunmetal gray side of the grill. All right, here's the final product. It turned out pretty good. Plasti Dip, gunmetal gray on the hood and the grill, and then the regular old flat black for the logo of the Mercedes emblem. I don't know. Looks pretty cool. Looks like a bra on there, I guess. But I'm pretty stoked. Plasti Dip's pretty easy to use. The best part is if you don't like it, you peel it right off and start from scratch. But I needed to, definitely had a lot of chips in the paint, so I wanted to cover that up. And I think it turned out pretty good. You know, I'll show you this, which was the topic. You can kind of still see where the logo was. So that's not super cool. And you can definitely see a lot of where chips used to be. So it didn't fill it in and smooth it out. It just kind of gave it an even, consistent coat everywhere. But, you know, I think it's pretty cool. It looks good. And then the black up top, which worked out pretty good. So there you go. I'm gonna polish up the lights, make it look a little better, and then call it a day. Alright guys, hope this helps. Use that Plasti Dip. It's kind of cool stuff. Hope all is well. Adios.